Welcome, my dear students. So let's understand this chapter question answers, chapter 12. Okay. तो बेटा फर्स्ट इज मैच द कॉलम सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ किसे कहते हैं? मून को. रेड प्लैनेट कौन सा होता है? हमारा मार्स होता है. कॉन्स्टलेशन आपके ओरियन लाइक दैट. प्लैनेट विच इज कॉमनली कॉल्ड एन इवनिंग स्टार, तो वीनस को कहते हैं. ठीक है. देन है हमारा सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग रिडल. अब हमें रिडल को सॉल्व करना है. माई फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट इज़ इन मैन बट नॉट इन कैन, तो एम आ गया ना. माई सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट इज़ इन एस एंड ऑल्सो इन फैन, तो ए. माई थर्ड अल्फ़ाबेट इज़ इन रेड एंड नॉट इन कैट, आर. माई फोर्थ अल्फ़ाबेट इज़ इन सन बट नॉट इन फन, एस. आई एम अ प्लैनेट दैट मूव्स अराउंड द सन, मार्स. ओके. सो ये कैसा प्लैनेट है जो क्या करता है? सन के राउंड करता है. ठीक है. टू सिमिलर रिडल्स, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. Okay, so what is the answer? Dan is not a planet. The correct answer should be Earth. Okay, now you already know that about the planet and all. Then Ants is not a planet. The correct answer should be Mars. Which of the following is not a member of our solar system? So Ceres. Okay, this is not a part of the member of the solar system. Which of the following is not a planet of the sun? So Pluto. Pluto आपका एक planet नहीं है sun का. ठीक है ना, हट गया था. Which is the brightest star, the pole star or Sirius? So it's a Sirius is the brightest star. एन आर्टिस्ट रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं सोलर सिस्टम इज गिवन फिगर में जैसे दे रखा है ना ये. तो क्या लिखेंगे? द ऑर्डर ऑफ द प्लैनेट शुड बी मरकरी, वेनस, मार्स. मरकरी, वेनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपच्यून. ओके, यू कैन सी दिस. So this is the way of this. Then a portion of night sky with a star shown in figure. Look carefully, identify the group of stars that form a patterns, Big Dipper and Little Dipper. Draw lines to connect the stars in these patterns and label them. Also identify the label the pole star. You may refer to figure. So the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper are not the constellation, User Major and Ursa Minor respectively. तो द पोल स्टार पोलरिस इज पार्ट ऑफ लिटिल डिपर. जैसे कि आपका क्या हो गया? बिग डिपर क्या है आपके? अल्काइड है, मेजर है, एलियोथ है, मेग्रेज है. ओके, फिजिडा है, ड्यूबे है, मिराक है. लिटिल डिपर आपका पोलरिस है, यानी कि पोल स्टार, खोजाब, फरखाब, खामा, झेल्टा, एप्सिलॉन एंड चिटॉन. ओके. द a portion of the night sky is shown in the figure, and draw lines to connect the stars for Orion and label the star serial, and you may refer to figure. So the picture shows Orion constellation and the star Sirius. The stars are connected with lines and labeled. So Orion constellation like Blue and Can for the belt, like Betelgeuse, okay, Bellatrix, Lentium, Belintica, and Cypherus, and Alnithok part of Orion's belt. Okay, Sirius like a red. Sirius, this help is in identifying and understanding the patterns of Orion constellation and locating. So you can see this picture. You can see the stars fading away at dawn and appearing at dusk. So during the day we do not see the stars. Explain why. So stars fade away at dawn and appear at dusk because of the brightness of the sun. And during the day the sunlight is so bright and it outshines the light from the stars, making them invisible. At dusk, as the sun sets in the sky, darkness, the stars become visible again. Question number 10. During a clear night, try to observe the Big Dipper 3-4 times an interval of 2 to 3 hours. Also try to locate the pole star each time. Does the Big Dipper appear to move? Draw a rough sketch to illustrate this, mentioning the time in each case. So the Big Dipper appears to move around the pole star due to the rotation of the earth, and the sketch would show the Big Dipper at different position in the sky at different times, so indicating is apparent movement around the pole star. So think about the night sky and write the poem or a story on it. So what is the poem? In the quiet of the night, stars twinkle with delight, patterns in the sky, and four stories of the ancient tools. Orion, the mighty thunderbolt with his belt of stars, a sight to behold. The dippers begin small, guide us north through it all. The pole stars steadfast in bright hole displays a beacon of light in the vast dark sky so high dreams the wondrous light. On a clear moonless night, young Sonu and Monu stood outside their village in Bhartex, eyes fixed on the heavens. The sky was a canvas of glittering stars, each telling a story. Sonu pointed to Orion, to great hunter, with his three-star build gleaming. Look, he said, this Orion, and there's his Rose, his loyal dog. Monu touched the big jipper with her finger, imagining it is a celestial ladle scooping up dreams from the night. The pole star, always reliable, shone brightly, guiding travelers and wonders alike. As the night deepened, the sibling felt a deep connection to the universe, knowing that the same stars had watched over their ancestor for generation. So this is the completely question answer which I have described from your book. You all have to complete your book exercises, okay, in your book, okay, from your. So thank you so much, Hurri.